So when you scroll on Instagram, you probably notice that reels like this appear on your feed. And you may have wondered, how do I make my carousels also show up as reels? Ever since I started using this carousel strategy, my reach and growth on Instagram skyrocketed. But not only that, my revenue from my business and the leads I'm getting into my business have improved. Carousels like this are hands down one of the best ways to sell your products and services on Instagram, but not only that, they're fantastic for growth as well. And just to prove my point, here are some of my recent carousels, and just take a look at how many followers they generated. So today, I'm not only going to show you how to make your carousels appear on that juicy Reels tab and be pushed into the Instagram algorithm, but also how to create viral carousels for any niche so you can grow your personal brand, and how to use those carousels to make more money with your business. But first, if you don't know who the hell is this guy with slight European accent, my name is Carousels, and over the past 2 years, I've grown my personal brand on Instagram to over 500,000 followers. And I was fortunate enough to make over $500,000 with my personal brand. But not only that, I saw my followers grow, my followers go down. I witnessed crazy amounts of reach and virality, and I also witnessed crickets and my content just flopping. And I'll be honest, when you do something for a long period of time, you just get sick of it. And that's what happened to me. I would say over the past 6 months. I got to the point where I could not even take a vacation without a need to film each part of that vacation. And as I go somewhere, I'm already thinking in my head how I can turn this moment into next viral reel. Every single piece of my life had to be filmed. Otherwise, in my head, that was just a wasted potential for viral video, which led me to the main reason why I kind of stopped posting that many reels on my personal brand specifically. So I had to find a different solution to create sustainable content. Now, reels are definitely a fantastic way to grow on Instagram. They're great. But as I started posting more carousels over the past 6 months, I actually noticed that carousels, A, bring me more followers per amount of reach that I get, B, perform better than my reels, and C, are easier to make. I'll be honest, I love taking pictures, and it's so much easier and more time efficient to take great looking pictures than to take great looking videos. And then you utilize those pictures in a nice aesthetic manner to create a well-crafted carousel that leads people to a series of valuable tips, etc. And then maybe has a call to action, which no worries, I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So how do we come up with those viral carousel ideas? First, realize that most of the time, your most viral carousels are not gonna be ideal for selling your products and services directly. They're gonna be designed to gather you as much followers and as much reach as possible. They're gonna act like a top of the funnel carousels. So just to show you an example, here's one of my recent viral carousels. And as you can see, it did pretty well. Here's another one which performed phenomenally well as well. Now, both of these got me a bunch of new followers, but they were not designed to directly sell my products. These were more of what we call broader type carousels. Now, here's a carousel that got me a lot of new leads for my business, which was best investments to make in your 20s and 30s. Now, this one is also a little bit more broader, but I still led people through a series of valuable tips and then brought them into my world, which is, wink wink, my program called Creator World. Now, I do have a second page that is more optimized directly for valuable tips for content creators and people wanting to build personal brands. And here, as you can see in this example, the value goes straight to the point, leading to a call to action. And this carousel generated a lot of new leads. Now, it didn't really go crazy viral, but it got me a lot of leads into my funnel where I can later on market to them and sell my products and services. Understand this. There are mainly two types of carousels. In one type, we focus on virality and getting as much reach as possible. Usually these gonna be broader takes in your niche to attract a wider audience. And then we use those narrow, problem-solving, guidance-driven carousels to nurture them and lead them to a CTA for something specific. It could even be your paid product. By the way, in the description, I left a PDF file where you can get a list of my most viral carousels so you can see the hooks I use myself and apply them in your niche. And I also included my template PSD file. So if you have a Photoshop, you can use my carousel template, the one that I use myself. So here are my most favorite ways to find these viral carousel ideas. First, what we can do is we can look at TikTok and see what type of viral format carousels are working on TikTok right now. Realize that Instagram is in constant competition with TikTok, which is why these carousels are popular on Instagram in the first place. They first started becoming very popular on TikTok. And if I had to bet, I think YouTube Shorts gonna roll out something like this as well. Now, getting your inspiration for these from TikTok is is fine, but thinking outside the box is where you're going to come up with ideas that break through the noise. So this was one of my most successful carousels that performed crazy well. And I actually got an idea for this hook. If you're ambitious but lazy, watch this, from a YouTube video. And I slightly changed it. And of course, everything that came after the hook into the carousel was my own experiences, my own ideas, and value. So this is one very important lesson you can take when making these carousels in any niche. You can look at what is being pushed on a YouTube homepage. See the videos that are getting the most views and the most recent videos. Take those video titles and use them as hooks for your carousels. And this is something a lot of people don't do. And that's why when their content flops, usually it's because they're only taking ideas from the Instagram platform itself. And when you do that, and when you are a new creator, you're not gonna stand out. You're not gonna escape that noise because your content is gonna look like everybody else's on the platform. Twitter/X is another goldmine of these carousel ideas. Because when people write these long threads, for example, they're essentially carousels. Again, you don't want to go out there, steal the entire thread, turn it into your own carousel, and call it a day. Only take a hook. And even then, you can still improve it and change it, right? Everything else that comes after the hook in slide number 2, number 3, number 4, should be your own unique value that you provide around that subject. And I'm guilty of this myself. I copied other people in the past. And whenever you just copy and it works, you usually tend to get fewer followers from that piece of content because people already seen it and it just screams inauthenticity. They don't want to copy carbon copies of somebody else. They want to see new, fresh perspective ideas and new ways to tackling certain problems that you help them solve. Another great way to come up with these banger carousel ideas is if you're already creating content, just look at what type of reels went the most viral for you, got the most engagement, and just turn those reels into carousels. Literally, you can use the same hook and then turn the rest of the video into text and place it into carousel slides. You'll be surprised how well this is going to perform. Now, everything I just said means nothing if you forget to do this one thing before publishing your carousel. And that is, if you don't add audio when you have all of the slides selected, your carousels without audio most of the time are gonna be shown only to your followers. They're not gonna reach a broad audience, and they're not gonna be pushed out into the algorithm and generate you this massive reach. So make sure you're using the audio on the carousel before you publish it. And no, you don't have to look and use trending audios when uploading these carousels. My most viral carousels had no trending audios. Literally, on some of my most viral carousels, I used an audio from 2015, 2016, like an old song. So just make sure the audio matches the overall aesthetic and vibe of your carousel and you're good to go. Also, what I've noticed with Instagram, the type of content you post most consistently, that type of content tends to be more prioritized and pushed out more. So when I was not posting any carousels, my reels were performing significantly better. But as soon as I started posting more carousels, my reels started underperforming. And whenever I post a reel right now, it just doesn't get the same amount of reach as it used to get, and it doesn't get the same amount of reach as my carousels do. Maybe it's just a coincidence, but this is what I've noticed. But that said, once you grow your personal brand using the strategy with carousels and you want to start making money with it, make sure you watch this video over here where I show essentially how I made over $100,000 by posting one Instagram reel. And thank you so much for watching.